this afternoon. For those who are not Permanent Secretary and rest of the officials from Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources and Industry, Trade and Tourism, senior staff, distinguished guests, members of the press, Bolvanaka, and a very good afternoon to all of you. You know, this is a funny day, and I'm actually quite really pleased on a personal basis that PS has taken the initiative to do this. And it's, on a serious note, it is a really important issue. Some of you may have seen that a bunch of biker friends got together with Suva and Knowledge Rugby Club also to raise as much awareness as we could with respect to this particular issue, especially men's prostate cancer. And you know, PS just mentioned everything that I really wanted to say, but he also mentioned that, you know, the age factor was 40 and above. But you know, I would say to all of those that are bordering on 40, go get yourselves checked. It really is important. It gives you a great peace of mind. And one thing I must mention today, and this is with respect to both ministries, to all the guys here, I think you should give a huge round of applause to the ladies for all the support that they've given us. You know, we've come to the end of the Movember campaign. I'm a bit scared that I'm going to lose my weapon, as you said. PS actually said that the minister's going to lose his weapon tomorrow. So, but look, it's a worthy cause. As I say, gentlemen, please, you know, this is not the end of it. For your own peace of mind, for your own families, etc. You know, there was an ex-magistrate, I think, he was with us at the launch of the awareness campaign with the Suva and the Polish Rugby Club. He actually said it really well. You know, he had a doctor friend who asked him to do it. He went and got tested. He found out that he did have it, but because he had done it early, it really paid off in terms of him having a peace of mind, and so it's always advisable to go get it checked. And I encourage all men, not just at our ministry, all men, to go get tested. Don't wait until it's too late. You know, I'll also encourage you to tell your family members, you know, your uncles, your nephews, all of them, all of the family members, go get tested to continue fighting for this good cause. It's also a wonderful thing. And I think we should make sure that we better ourselves every year at the ministerial level to see if we can raise as much money as possible to help the Cancer Society. The commitment that's been shown by the Fiji Cancer Society in raising awareness in this particular disease is beginning to turn the tide again also with respect to prostate cancer. And on behalf of the ministry, I'd want to commend the Fiji Cancer Society for the great initiative taken in raising awareness on this silent killer. You know, the Cancer Society's work has been very effective to both the ministries, and as a result, there's about a total of 24 male staff above the age of 40 who actually went for screening. I think that's a correct number if I'm right. Yes? Yes? Today, as I said, more and more men are actually coming to know about the importance of getting smart and getting screened. And campaign should actually speak to our conscience and help us realize that we all need to work together on this. This is not something you necessarily have to do on your own. We managed to get together for everything else. This is the one time that your friends and your family won't leave you, and I think it's visible today. All your workmates, etc., all helping and saving even more Fijian lives. There are more than 50 men from the two ministries who have gladly participated in this. Some, like Momo Sake, decided to shave it early, but that's all right. We know you do things differently by growing their mustaches, etc. In a big way, ladies and gentlemen, they made this campaign the avenue also for dialogue and public awareness with all the others around Fiji to save men's lives who have already been affected by the disease. And each person made a pledge to raise funds and contribute towards the good work currently being done by the Fiji Cancer Society. Having said that, I'm happy to announce that both ministries, this is the part I'm not going to like, both ministries have together raised a total of $6,400. So, Permanent Secretary, you've got your wish, I lose my weapon today. Some divisional staff also, ladies and gentlemen, from Lambasa and Lotoka for the first time participated in this particular campaign, and our future plan is to double our target and go on board basically with all men at both ministries. And while doing so, we'll also get the spouses and the families and the staff of the campaign to make this a family commitment as well. All of us here today know someone who may have prostate cancer, who has survived it or become a victim, and this is all the more reason for all of us to support this worthy cause. Today I'm actually filled with a lot of joy and pride, as every speck of blue that I see represents victory and hope for the future. And in fact, as long as there is a reason to wear blue, there should also be a reason to take action to raise awareness on this. Therefore, it really is an obligation of every man and every woman, and every young boy and every well-meaning Fijian to continue to raise awareness about this particular disease, and hopefully one day we'll find a cure for it. We can see the finishing line on the horizon, and hand in hand we should cross it. And for all the men who have participated in the campaign, I thank you. Big Vinagalevi to all of you for standing up and joining the rest of your fellow men around the country and raising funds for a very, very worthy cause. And thank you for embracing the sweaty and itchy mustaches and beards for Movember. I think you all deserve a good clean shave straight after this. And with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I once again sincerely thank all the men who have participated in our 2017 Movember campaign, and to their spouses for their continued support, and for lying next to a very scratchy man, and to the organizers of the event for a job well done. Thank you very much, both the ministries. And once again also to all the ladies of the ministry, thank you very much for all your support. Much appreciated. Thank you very much, Navalu, and happy mustache removing.
That's it.
After Honorable Minister's Home Secretary, and then we are going to Sir.